Alrighty, so what we got here is a 2015 Toyota Sienna, and this is the rear spoiler or valance. This one has been backed into and broken. So it's a hollow plastic piece, probably not something good to back into. Decided I'd replace it for a friend. Not actually too bad. I figured it'd be a lot worse. This foam piece here has a corresponding one on the other side, as well as some of these here that act as dampers or buffers. The ones you got to worry about is here, 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 and then there's a big long one along the back edge. Those ones need to be pulled off and scraped off and cleaned. Total time in replacing it where I'm at, about 45 minutes. And for anybody wondering, there's a little panel here. You're going to have to pull it out. And then there are some rubber plugs up over here in the corner. There is a bolt there that's underneath the panel. There's actually a bolt underneath the windshield wiper motor, which is a little difficult to see up in there. But you can see it right there. And then another bolt over here in the corner. So not too bad overall. One plug here that came with it, new light, everything. So I'd figure I'd show everybody how to do all this. The plastic panel that sits up here in the top, straight pull. If you pull straight down, these little clips will release. Not a problem in the world. About a 45-minute job, so thank you.